Let's take a look at how to install this lock. First of all, when we got it, if you want to reverse the direction of this handle, take this screw off here. Then turn your hand in one direction. Then the screw goes back on it. Pay attention when we install it. There's a triangular arrow. The middle hole has a triangular arrow here. Make sure it's facing down. Turn down. Same here. Remove the screw from this hole. Then turn your hand in one direction. Put the screw on it again. Pay attention when installing. This spring must be in this hole. How to change the direction of this lock body? We can dial this pickup. Tuck this tongue in with your hands. Turn in one direction, then find the location, then let it pop out. Sleeve it on. Install this lock body on. Secure with self-tapping screws. This square steel comes from here. There is a hole in it. Go through here. Pierce the hole against the hole. There is a pin in the accessory bag. Go through here. Take this pin and bend it. Make a limit. Run this thread through the doorway. The square steel goes through this hole. Find the screw of the corresponding length. Fix it against the front sleeve. We can fix the screws first. Don't fix it too tightly. Because of this step, we're going to have to adjust this one. Line the center hole of the liner. The very center hole of this square shaft, right there. Hold it down. Then fix the screw. Take off the battery cover here. Lid open. Connect the wires. Hide the extra thread in the doorway. Put these 4 4-centimeter screws into the hole for it. Tighten. Put the battery on it. You need to bring your own.